Let's take a look at this ACT Math Algebra 2 type graphing problem. Okay, so the graph in the standard XY coordinate plane below is a graph of one of the following functions that are given here. So which one? So first thing we will notice is the graph looks like essentially like a quadratic type function, or it's like an x squared or an x to the fourth or an x to the sixth even type function, because it's going up on the left and up on the right. Okay, so we can eliminate any choice that has an odd number of x variable here. So let's take a look at this one. This is cubic because there's 3x's out here, so this can immediately be eliminated. Let's see, now let's look at where the x-intercepts are. At 0, the multiplicity is 2. That means the graph touches the x-axis and goes back, which means that its multiplicity is going to be 2. So it's going to be repeating multiplicity. Here you see at -4, it's a linear type multiplicity where the multiplicity is 1 because going through the x-axis, and also it's kind of looking linear, right, straight. And at 6, if you notice, this looks cubic because it comes steep and then flats off and then goes back up steep. So it looks like a cubic function at 6. Okay. So now let's look at the total number of x's that are represented in each of these. So here is 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here is the exponent is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. These are all 6 even numbers. But notice here the x cubed here. But remember, we need x squared because at 0, it's basically a multiplicity of 2. So a cubic type function is not represented at 0. Okay, because if we were to write x cubed equals 0, x would be equal to 0. That's the one that's the x-intercept at 0. Now notice at x equals -4 is the other x-intercept. You can write this as x plus 4, bring the 4 to the side, put it in parentheses. That's one of the factors, right? So the multiplicity is 1. Okay, and here is x equals 6, so there's going to be x minus 6, multiplicity being cubic 3. So immediately we can cancel the ones that are not represented in x minus 6 or x plus 4 multiplicity 1, which is cancel this one and this one. And so finally D is the only choice remaining, which is represented by these factors x minus 6 and x plus 4. All the other ones this is an x minus 4, this is also an x minus 4, so you can cancel these, and also x plus 6, so these can also be cancelled. Okay, so B and C have been cancelled, and then D is the only choice that has x squared. At 0 it has a multiplicity of 2, and at 6, x equals 6, it has a cubic multiplicity, it has a cubic type function out here, and x equals -4 is linear, has only one multiplicity, so this is the linear part. So this is the right answer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.